Stop piling worksheets. STEM starts on the floor. In a decade-long UK study following kids from age 3.5 to 13, more preschool spatial play, blocks, cars, construction, predicted stronger teen 3D thinking for girls and boys. So, if you want to keep the STEM door wide open, especially for girls, add blocks and cars to playtime, not just worksheets. Coming up, what to set out and what to say to start today. Here's the plan I use on my living room rug. It's simple, 5 minutes, even on chaotic days. I set out a small build kit on the floor, 10 to 20 mixed blocks, a couple of toy cars, some cardboard tubes, and tape. Then I give one tiny challenge with one tiny phrase of spatial talk. Can we make a bridge the car can drive under? If they stack randomly, I try. Turn this block sideways, now slide it on top. When it holds, I celebrate the shape thinking that side-to-side turn made it fit. Or I start a ramp and ask, how do we make the car go farther? We test, higher, longer, steeper. I narrate with words like angle, longer, shorter, steeper, flip, and rotate. Spatial words cue the brain to notice direction and shape, so moves and ideas stick together. Or I build a tiny model, 3 blocks up, 1 across, and say, can you make one that matches? If it's close but not quite, I ask, what's different? Height or direction? Matching builds the skill to picture and adjust things in your head, the same kind of skill the study measured years later. Cleanup becomes part of the lesson. Let's pack like Tetris. Turn the long ones this way so they fit. Fitting shapes into a bin is still spatial play. It just looks like chores. If your kid loves dolls more than blocks, bring the blocks to their play. Let's build a vet clinic with a parking spot for the ambulance. Or add roads around the dollhouse. The car turns left, then under the bridge. Kids don't need different toys, just equal time with the same spatial moves. Many girls simply get less of it. If your child says, I can't, shrink the challenge and lend language. Let's start with 2 blocks. Stack, then turn. Try the success path. Rotate, slide. Now it fits. Small wins build the confidence to try trickier shapes next time. You can take this out of the house too. On the sidewalk, we draw a simple map. House, tree, mailbox, and drive a toy car along it. Forward 2, turn right under the chalk bridge. At the park, we make a rock maze and try to get a ball through without touching the sides. In the bath, we engineer a floating raft from cups and lids. This matters because 3D mental rotation, picturing things turning in your head, shows up all over STEM later. Reading diagrams, imagining molecules, making sense of graphs, lining up parts when you build. The study didn't point to a magic worksheet. It tracked ordinary floor play and found a consistent link years later. If you want a super easy start tonight, try this 2-line script. I'm putting out blocks and cars. Your mission, make a ramp that lands the car on this book. Then step back and sprinkle in just a little spatial talk. Higher, lower, turn, under, across. A couple of tiny habits keep it going. Keep a shoebox build kit in the living room so it's one grab away. Jot a quick win on a sticky note. Built a tunnel, said rotate. Kids love seeing their own skills stack up. Save this so you've got the lines for tonight's floor time. Follow Smart Start Parents for warm, research-backed tools you can use tonight, because future scientists are built in living rooms, 1 block at a time.